morning, day 4 of Hurricane Beryl? So we came out to see, and how is the situation out here? So, oh, that's, there you go. Let's see. There's a rain everywhere. It's not that bad, it's just about rain. About a wind. Someone standing out on the balcony over there. Woo-hoo. Not as bad, it's just windy. Alright, it's Ellie and Oscar adventure.
This is our second
Amazing Race, some video.
Amazing Racetrack.
Oh, it's calming down though.
Calming down or coming down?
Calming. So we're gonna go on a little adventure. Yeah, look, the skies are clearing up. We're gonna go check something because the website says that something's open. People are going crazy.
I left everything on the floor because, like I said, I was worried. I was trying to help everyone at the same time.
Alright, I made it to the first floor. Just poop everywhere. Yeah. That one open? Oh, this one's open. Never mind. There's always a way. Yeah. Looks like in the zombie apocalypse. Well, I'm glad the ATM is still working. Out of all things. There's no broken windows, just lots of water. People are trying to leave. So, picked up some people, picked them up. We found them on the way over here. Now we're going back to our room.
And then you got lost.
Drunk. Alright, so we're heading down to try to eat. You saw the chaos last night. So, look at the chaos. Oh, careful, you're gonna slip on the balls. Bola, bola. Not the cat house. Oh, the kitty survived. So the cat survived.
Houses, they were alright. I mean, that must have been freaky out.
Right here, he's on this pedestal.
Yeah, sweetie.
The cat survived the hurricane. The sun is coming. So I was wrong. So like I said, this is the last time you see them red. Well, this is red.
Guys, the floor might be electrocuted. You got that thing.
I did. Perfect timing too. It's another pool that we haven't gone to either. But this is mostly just adults because it's the adult side of the hotel. I'm gonna get closer later, but look at the ocean. The aftermath. So, current beach situation right now. We're gonna clean up. So here, water's still very choppy. Still a lot of wind. It's crazy. Look at the waves, bro. Broken shingles. Like the phone is getting blown away from me. That's how crazy it is. Alright, so we just finished eating. I didn't record because of how chaotic it is. And we're gonna go relax in our room for a little bit. The line to eat is still going around. We're happy we got here quick.
I'm fun to get water from the rain.
So the line goes inside and around and outside to go to get food. I am glad we came early. So we're at the pool right now.
You like it yourself, Sally?
I know I am. And it is day 4? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, day 4 of the trip. In the pool right now, enjoying ourselves.
Last night was a big rainstorm and almost everything was broken.
We survived Hurricane Beryl.
And
You see all the debris still on the pool. And yeah, but we're enjoying ourselves. We had brunch this morning, it was crazy. I forgot what I filmed. But what I did film. But yeah.
you're gonna.
I'll catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy. Today might be short because we didn't do anything because we had lunch, came to the pool. We're gonna have dinner and then probably sleep because we're still tired from all that from yesterday. We'll see. I think everything opens back up to normal tomorrow since today's like the cleanup and aftermath, so we'll see. Jacob is learning how to tread water. Jacob, show your spotlight.
Don't put your mouth in water. Your hand.
Jacob is doing it.
Did it. Say, I did it, Mama.
Alright guys, we're gonna go launch the way.
Lost the way.
What I told you. Say goodbye, world.
Goodbye, Will. I'm here. See you later. Peace. See you later. Dinner.
Look at your son before he's not going to leave him alone. Also heading upstairs.
More than you?
For longer?
Don't force it around.
Yes. It's me versus you.
Alright. Wait. 1,
I know. I'm so
2, someone's getting 3, go!
Go, Audrey. Wait. Go one more time and that we have to count.
You didn't go under.
Fine. Yeah, no, you go first because I have to count you how many minutes.
I don't want to.
Please.
Because you said we were going to do it together. And then you weren't being truthful.
Oh, fine. I'm gonna count you how many next seconds.
Filling me or you?
You're feeling yourself.
Okay.
You have to go in the water too.
I have to go underwater too?
No, they'll go
Oh, this. Okay.
No, you're supposed to go like.
Oh yeah, I'll wait till you go down. Right? Hey, we're relocating. Why? Down. Yeah. Oh, you okay? You okay? What happened?
But I'm okay.
What happened? Something on your eye?
No. I put my own. It's not that bad. Well, how many seconds?
It was only like 3, so are you okay? What happened? Did something go in your eye? No, it's okay.
I couldn't hold my breath that long.
Oh, okay.
Only if.
That's okay. You have to make sure that you're being careful. Yeah, no, we'd rather you be safe than try to hold your breath. Okay, do you want your GoPro back? Can I do it? Yeah. Is it recording? That's recording you. Alright, 1, 2. I'm recording your dad's butt. Here you go.
You were not recording yourself. You were recording.
Oh, was I supposed to record myself?
Yeah.
Alright, let me do it again then.
No, you have to do it outside.
It's not it.
No, this side.
That's what I was doing.
No,
When you look at
I think you have to add it the other way. Okay,
Yeah.
now it is recording you.
Alright, I'm gonna go down.
1, 2, 3, go!
Actually wasn't counting, sorry.
In the back.
So we are at the pool and heading to dinner. Your boy Jacob barely does attached to me because
Look, it's my favorite thing to look, it's
just for safety. So we're heading out to dinner now. Going to a gaucho. So again, it's a little crazy, but it's like buffet style. But now they opened up 3 locations instead of 1 like this morning. Because I heard after we left, it got crazy. Look, a wild toucan. Tapatiki. He was eating the food. Alright, so saying goodnight, going to bed, let the kids sleep. We just had dinner, hanged out for a little bit, and tomorrow we're going to go in town. So catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, we're back in the room. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Thank you for coming to the journey with us. Good night, guys.